Morning, guys. Lutando here, the Queen Motivator. Another day, another vlog. Ngiphuza i-salt yami ekuseni with an empty stomach. Uyazi-ke vele ukuthi ngiyayidayisa. So ngithe angeze nayo i-vlog today because umntanami uyagreda. So I have to look beautiful. Asambeni-ke sokwenza ikhanda. Ngiligezile ikhanda lami ngalifaka i-hairfood. Ngithi angithi kulithi vavava umngani. Outfits of the day. So as a networker, the distributor, you will find this with the cheapest price. Come to me, I will plug you, girl. 0842181750. Yebo ngizokuplaga woza nawe sengiqedile ukugeza. I'm ready to go. Uyazibonela-ke nawe ukuthi ukuza kahle. This is the hairstyle. Untomkhulu wami phela ogredayo fanele nje sibukeke. Nizoyibona-ke i-vlog elandelayo. This is the part 1. So I'm done, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe and check my other videos.